The title Serenity Naiyang has now completed 100% of the piling work and is progressing steadily through the structural phase, which currently stands at 87.8%. With the overall construction progress reaching 28%, the main building forms are now clearly visible across the site. The project is entering a transitional phase as preparation begins for architectural and system installation works. On-site activity remains intensive, with multiple tower cranes in operation and several buildings being constructed in parallel. Construction continues on schedule, and more updates will follow in the coming months. Next steps. The upcoming phases of construction will focus on the following key activities: commencement of exterior plastering work, installation of floor tiles within the buildings, ceiling system, installation, interior floor leveling work, installation of balcony railings, tiling of swimming pools,